Bisaya natakaron sa Toledo City. Kabalo mo asa. So, yes, we're here in Toledo City. O karon atong bisitahon ang isa sa pinakalamian na kan-anan diri sa Toledo, which is an Rustic Food Corner. So, tara! So first, na sila carbonara. Next, na sila glazed spare ribs. Also, they have honey garlic. And na sila canny salad. And last but not the least, ang ilang unlimited chicken wings, which is parmesan, barbecue, and spicy. So, try na to. So, kanya akong parmesan. So, yan ako. So, mga utak. The best, perfect jud. That's why kani Rustic Food Corner now how they are awarded before as the best of Cebu, which is tinuod jud tungod sa kalami. So, kamo sa inyong ipabot dira, maglaway na muna ko. So, tilawin na ninyo. Tara, bye! That's all for today mga bay. So, na-experience yun ako diri ang rustic vibe. And also, natilawan ako ang lamian nga pagkaon diri sa Rustic Food Corner. So, if you want to visit Rustic Food Corner, nara siya sa Toledo City, unahan sa Grandmall in front of Maxi building. So, along the way siya, dali ra kayo siya makita. And also, convenient kay kinay parking lot. And also guys, if you want us to visit your place, please message us on our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Proud Bisaya by TV. So what are you waiting for? Arat, bye!